Hello and welcome to this new video. In this video we will be seeing how you can build your own Iron Man table, light or lamp. So you will need a few parts: a 3D printed Arduino case, this 3D printed Arduino Iron Man figure, and you have to just stick some paper to it to diffuse the light, and a small LED strip in uh, and this enclosure, which is also 3D printed for the light. So first you have to stick the neopixel LED strips like this way. This is the 18 LEDs. There are 18 LEDs in it, and you have to stick these inside the LED, this case, like this. After that you need to stick these picture or this uh, photo of Iron Man and above it. We will stick it with some super glue. You don't have to use very much super glue. Little amounts will be enough. After sticking it, you have to turn it upside down and you have to stick this back panel with more super glue. These 3D printed files are in the description, so you can print it yourself. So as you can see, this is has been taken. Make sure that the photo aligns with this hole which is meant for the wires. Now you take your Arduino, put it inside this. You don't have to stick your Arduino, and this is the connector for the LED strips. We will connect this white one ground to ground. Red is the positive pin. We will connect it to 5 volts, and green one is the data pin. This will go on D7. After doing this, we will route it out from this hole and also stick the case. This case is the optional part. If you want to print it, you can print it or make it your own from cardboard or something and stick the case. We will use some tape to stick the. You can see the case has finished. Now we will put this wire inside a bit in the this slot for the wire and connect the both wires. We will also put extra wire in this LED case and we will stick this part like this. I will come back after sticking this. So as you can see, everything is stuck well, and now it is the time to power it on.